Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Kumar EduTech. Today we are discuss about respiratory system in human beings. Human respiratory system. So respiratory system is a well developed. Respiratory system is a well developed. It is useful for exchange of gases. Exchange of gases. So respiration. What is respiration? Respiration means to obtaining energy by oxidation of food molecules is called as respiration. Obtaining energy by the oxidation of food molecules. Oxidation of food molecules is called as respiration. So respiration is a inhalation and exhalation of the air is called as respiration. So then respiration is divided into two types based on the absent or presence of oxygen. Respiration divided into two types. Respiration divided into two types based on the absence and presence of the carbon dioxide in the process of oxidation. So first one is anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration in protozoans. In protozoans or some invertebrates, anaerobic respiration occurs. Anaerobic respiration means oxidation process. In food material, food oxidation, in oxidation process, oxygen is absent. Oxygen is absent is called as anaerobic respiration. In this, energy is not produced, or less amount of energy is produced, and food is partially oxidized. Food is partially oxidized. Then next to second one is aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration means food oxidation process, oxygen is present, is called as aerobic respiration. In this respiration, food completely oxidized, and more energy is produced. So anaerobic respiration present in protozoa. Aerobic respiration occurs in higher organisms like vertebrates. Respiration also divided into three types. First one in external respiration, and second one internal respiration, and third one cellular respiration. So first one is external respiration. In external respiration, oxygen or air transport between lungs of alveoli to blood. So air outside of the or atmospheric air converts or transfer between lungs of alveoli or alveoli of lungs and blood. Then next to internal respiration. Internal respiration means air or gases are transport. Gases are exchanged between blood to tissue. Internal respiration means atmospheric gases transfer to blood to tissues. Then next to cellular respiration. Cellular respiration contains glycolysis, Krebs cycle and electron transport system. In this process, food is totally oxidized. Food is totally oxidized. Totally oxidized means food produce more amount of energy is produced. So this is 3 types of respiration: external respiration, internal respiration and cellular respiration. External respiration means atmospheric gases, atmospheric air transfer or exchange lungs to blood. Then next to internal respiration, transfer to blood to tissues. Then next to glycolysis, Krebs cycle, electron transports are involved in cellular respiration. This is types of respiration in human